This is TWiT.
Earlier in Flo's review, she had to adjust her brightness. And if you're like Flo, if you're like me, if you're like Jason, quite often you find yourself in a scenario where you need to adjust your brightness. And as phones get bigger and bigger, adjusting brightness actually gets more and more annoying. I, for one, hate the auto adjustment because I want some control over it. But having to swipe down in the notification and then move your thumb all the way up, if you got a big old Pixel 2XL, it's a long ways to go. Thankfully, I've uncovered Digilux, which is going to solve these problems for you in two ways. One, it gives you a movable slider to adjust your brightness. But what's even more effective and awesome is that it allows you to utilize your fingerprint scanner as a brightness slider. What?
What?
What? Look what Jason's doing. He's sliding his finger over the fingerprint scanner, and that is sliding across the brightness slider. And can you do it a little slower? Yeah, see? So you can, depending on the speed that you slide it, you can adjust your brightness with your fingerprint scanner.
Wow.
Case closed.
That's what Ron got.
That's all I've got, Your Honor. There it is. No, this app is awesome because so basically on the settings, as you can see there, you can adjust the slider so that so in the settings there, the first one is adjust slider step. So you can change every time a little swipe is either 10% per swipe or 20%. If you want to make it 100, just go up and down, whatever percentage you want to do for that. Then the second setting allows you to adjust the slider position. That's where it appears on the screen. So if you slide that, it will move it up and down on the screen. So if you maybe want it to appear higher or lower, I happen to like it look lower down by my little nav buttons on the bottom, so I slide it all the way down there. You can also adjust how long the pop-up, the brightness pop-up stays on the screen. And there it is. And then of course you can change the colors. You can change the background color and the slider color itself. And there's a whole bunch of other kind of cool settings. But if you scroll down even more, you can adjust the gestures. So for example, if you swipe up on your fingerprint scanner, it will increase the brightness. If you double swipe up, it will do nothing. You can edit that and change it. If you swipe down, it will reduce the brightness. If you swipe left, minimum brightness. Swipe right, maximum brightness. So you have control over the gestures that you can do with your phone. I tried this on my Pixel. It works great. Jason is trying it on his phone there. It works great. I encourage everyone to check it out. It's free in the Google Play Store. Once I started using this, I was like, oh, how did I live without this? This is amazing. So there you go.
Nice.
Digilux.
Excellent. Digilux.